Welcome to my channel, Smoking and Cooking with Randall at Jazzy's Backyard Barbecue Inside. Today we will be doing beer marinated barbecue chicken. First we need to make our marinade. Our marinade consists of 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of Mayflower sweet chili sauce, a half can of Budweiser beer, 1 tablespoon of grill mate, Montreal season, 1 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of Budweiser classic barbecue sauce, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. After mixing the ingredients together, add chicken and marinate overnight. Okay, the pit barrel is setting at 259 degrees. Let's get the chicken on and cook it for a half hour, then flip and cook for another half hour. Now arrange chicken and leave mushroom as possible. Okay, I think I'll monitor this chicken. Monitor it to it reach 165 to 170 degrees. Okay, now we got the chicken on, the temperature probe's on. Let's put the bars. Now that our chicken has reached 165 degrees, we will now take our sauce and baste it and cook for 10 more minutes longer, and then we're done.